The High Court judge, over a controversial remark that was made, has met the Supreme Court Collegium. According to our sources, the Supreme Court Collegium has asked the judge to be cautious when making statements. According to our sources, the judge has been asked to maintain the dignity of the position that he holds. To the judge has been said that you need to avoid making casual statements, specifically at public forum. Remember, the High Court judge has now said that one of the controversial remarks, and the image of it on your screen, he had said that the nation will function as per what the majority believes or feels. The High Court judge had said that we must be cautious of certain people in the Muslim community. That had led to questions of whether this is a hate speech, whether these are controversial remarks that cannot come from a sitting High Court judge. Kanu Sarda is also joining me, but here's what had happened. He's met the Supreme Court Collegium. There was a lot of outrage and uproar over this. Many had asked if such a comment like this, casually, of whether majority can decide how our country will run, or to say that certain people in the Muslim community is what we have to be cautious of. Kanu Sarda joins me for the latest on that. Kanu, tell me more about this meeting between the sitting High Court judge and with the Supreme Court Collegium.
Yes, Pooja, the meeting yesterday took place with the 5 top court judges, which are part of the collegium, and they have, exercised. They have tried to counsel that the Justice Shekhar Yadav, who had made some controversial remarks on December 8th. The top court judges have tried to tell him the importance of the constitutional post that he holds, and also tried to, tell him that, he has to be cautious while speaking or inside the court or outside the court, because the words hold importance as far as the position of a High Court judge is concerned. And that is why, the future course of action is still not decided as per our sources. But yes, if any kind of statement is coming from the Supreme Court over his conduct, over Justice Yadav's conduct, then certainly it will set as a precedent for the next set of judges who are, very vocal inside the court and as well as outside the court in various public functions, as well as inside the court during the court hearings, that some kind of caution needs to be maintained as far as, the dignity of the position is concerned. So very strong remarks from the collegium as per our sources. But yes,
and especially for a judge, after all, who deals with a lot of sensitive cases, should there be more caution? Will it become a precedent? We'll be tracking that. Kanu, thank you very much for now.